How to add product categories in Shopify step by step. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video, I will show you how you can easily add product categories inside your Shopify store and how you can add different pages for your categories. Especially if you are selling different kind of products inside your Shopify store, it's very important to categorize everything for your customer to easily find the product. So for example, you can create categories for all the clothing, for all the footwear, for all the appliances, so something like that. And I will show you how you can easily do that in step by step. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, you need to make sure you have your Shopify store and also you have your Shopify account. So if you don't have, you just need to visit shopify.com and then you can just sign up for free. The good thing about Shopify is they offer a free plan account so that you can explore the premium account for free for 7 days. So here, once you log into your account, this is the main homepage. So to show you how you can add different product categories, then I will just go ahead and click the online store located here on the left-hand side panel. So over here, I will go ahead and first check our online store. So here, I will just go ahead and click our view your store. And this is what our store look like. So this is just for default. And I already add the product here. So for this one, as you can see, we only have 3 menus here, which is the home, catalog, and contact. So what we will be doing is that we will be adding additional menu here, and then inside this menu, we have different categories for our product. So to do that, let me just go ahead and close this one. And then going back here, I will first go to the navigation tab located here on the left-hand side. And then I will just go ahead and go here inside the menus. So as you can see here, we have our menus. So for the footer menu, we have the search. And for the main menu, we have the 3 menus that I showed you earlier. So we can go ahead and click this main menu over here for us to add the additional menu. So here we have the button to add menu item. So just click on it. And then here, just name the new menu. So I will just go ahead and name this one as product categories. And then over here, you can just link this if you already created the pages. But we did not create the pages yet for our categories. So I will just go ahead and click here and you can just click the home page for now. So click add. And then over here, if you want to organize your menu, you can also drag this one. So let me go ahead and add this one next to the catalog. And then I will just go ahead and add menu item. And for the next one, I will go ahead and name this one for clothing categories. And for this, don't forget to add it in the home page for now, but we will be changing that one later on. So over here, you can also drag this one under the product categories. And if you move this one to the right, you can see that you can add this one as a sub menu. So here, as you can see, we have now the sub menu under the product categories, which is the clothing. And I will go ahead and add another sub menu, which is the footwear. Click add. I'm sorry, I always forget to link this one to the home page for now. And then the last one, I will go ahead and add for the appliances. And then home page, and then click add. So now we have the 3 categories here for our products. So the next thing that we can do is I will go ahead and save this menu. So don't forget to save it. And once it's saved, go ahead and go to the pages here on the left-hand side panel. And then over here, we can add our pages for those categories that we added to our online store. So I will go ahead and click this add page located here on the right-hand side. And then I will go ahead and title our page. So it's going to be for clothing. And then, of course, you can also add your description or content here if you like to. But for now, I will not add anything here. And then I can click Save. So as you can see, we save our clothing page. And if you want to create another page, you can do it manually, the same thing that we did earlier. Or you can also do it like duplicate this page. I will just go ahead and duplicate this one. And then what we can do here is that we can rename the duplicate pages. So let me go ahead and name this one for footwear. Duplicate. And then I will duplicate again this one. And I will name this one as appliances. Duplicate. All right, so with that, I will go ahead and click this back arrow. And as you can see, we have now 3 pages here that we created, the clothing, footwear, and appliances. So going back here to our navigation tab, I will go ahead and click the main menu again. And then over here, I will go ahead and click this arrow for the product categories. And over here, we can now edit this and then change the link. So now we have the pages that we just created. So I will just go ahead and click pages. And then over here, I will go ahead and link this to the clothing page. And then apply changes. And then I will also do the same thing to these 2 categories, pages and then footwear. Apply changes, and the last one, pages and the appliances. All right, so with that, we already link our categories here to the specific pages. So I will go ahead and save this one. And now let's go ahead and visit our website. So I will go ahead and click View Your Store. So over here, as you can see, we have now the additional menu here, which is the product categories. And you can see that the product categories, there is a down arrow showing that this one has a sub menu. So you just need to click on it. And as you can see here, we have now the categories for clothing, footwear, and appliances. And if you click on this, it will redirect you to the clothing pages. And for the footwear, it's going to be for footwear pages, as you can see. So I guess that's all for today's video. So that's how you can easily add your own product categories inside the Shopify. So I hope that you learned something today. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.